Wade Miley acquired from the Mariners at the trading deadline. This will be a 6th start for the Orioles.
And he got him. 3 straight changeups. Got him there.
Category.
He went on the check swing.
He doesn't like it. Good.
Strike 3 called.
Yeah.
1-2 on Smoke. Strike 3 called. Bent around the plate. And Batista down on strikes for a 2nd time. That one's called.
Yeah, you can't take that pitch. Come on.
Strike 3 called. Got him on the corner. Strike 3 called. He got him.